Bitcoin is dead. It's a scam. It's just for criminals. Heard that before? Yeah, same. Let's cut through the noise. Today, we're busting the top 5 biggest Bitcoin myths. And if you're new to crypto or just crypto curious, this one's for you. Bitcoin's not a scam. It's open source, decentralized, and nobody owns it. Anyone can check the code. No secret boardrooms, no sketchy CEOs. Scammers use Bitcoin like they use cash, email, or gift cards. Doesn't make Bitcoin the scam. It's a tool. Tools aren't the problem. People are. Yeah, the price swings. But so did Amazon and Apple early on. Volatility is part of the journey. As more people use it, it'll stabilize. Bitcoin mining uses energy, but a lot is renewable. It even incentivizes stranded energy use. Banks and gold mining use more, but hide it. The banking system and gold mining? Way more wasteful. Let's just say, glass houses. Cash is still #1 for illegal stuff. Bitcoin is traceable. It's on a public ledger. Governments love that. For criminals, it's a bad idea. You're not late. Only a small percent of the world owns Bitcoin. You don't need a full coin, just a slice. You didn't miss the boat. You're standing on the dock before the cruise even sets sail. Bitcoin isn't magic internet money. It's just money for the internet age. Like, comment, follow for more. This is Bitcoin Media Empire. Make this neater.